Mastering multiple choice, sentence completion, and note-taking for BEC Vantage Listening. Hello, English learners. Today, we're diving deep into the B2 Business Vantage Listening section. We'll focus on multiple choice, sentence completion, and note-taking tasks. These are essential skills to master, not just for the exam but for real-life business situations as well. The listening section of the BEC Vantage exam is divided into multiple parts, and you'll come across different types of tasks. Among them, multiple choice, sentence completion, and note-taking are some of the most crucial ones. 1. Multiple choice. As with any multiple choice questions, you'll hear a recording and then select the best answer from the choices given. 2. Sentence completion. Here, you'll have to fill in the blanks in sentences based on what you hear from the recording. 3. Note-taking. This will involve listening to a longer piece of information and jotting down the key points or information. 1. Read the questions first. Before the audio starts, read the questions. This gives you a clue about what information to listen for. 2. Eliminate wrong answers. Often, 2 out of the 4 options can be easily dismissed as incorrect. Focus on the remaining 2. 3. Don't overthink. Go with your first instinct unless you're certain about an error. 1. Keyword listening. Focus on the keywords in the sentence. These can guide you to the correct answer when you're listening. 2. Grammar matters. Ensure that the word or phrase you write down fits grammatically into the sentence. 3. Stay calm. If you miss an answer, move on. Don't let one missed answer distract you from the rest of the recording. 1. Organize your notes. As you listen, try to group related pieces of information together. 2. Abbreviations are key. Develop your own shorthand or abbreviations to write faster. 3. Listen for main ideas. Instead of focusing on every detail, try to capture the main ideas. The test is designed to evaluate your understanding, not transcription skills. That's a wrap on multiple choice, sentence completion, and note-taking tasks for the BEC Vantage Listening section. Remember, the key to success is practice. Familiarize yourself with the format, practice with mock tests, and soon, you'll master these tasks with ease. Wishing you all the best on your English learning journey. See you in the next video.